What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm bringing you along for one of the most iconic car events in the country, Hot August Nights in Reno, Nevada. If you've never been, imagine this, 5,500 cars all taking over downtown Reno. I'm talking classic cars, muscle cars, hot rods, all out in the open, polished to perfection, engines are roaring, and cars are cruising. It's amazing. Basically, Reno turns into a huge downtown car show. This week-long event starts in Virginia City, where all the classics drive from Virginia City down to Reno and then take over the entire downtown. Not just there, but all over at various casinos such as the Nugget, Peppermill, and the Atlantis. There is a new location this year. Instead of GSR, they're at the University of Nevada in Reno. So this event is totally free. The only thing you really need a budget for is a hotel and, of course, food. I spent a few days soaking it all in, talking to the owners, geeking out over their cars, and of course, getting all the footage for you guys. So let's go ahead and get into it. Here's Hot August Nights from my eyes. Super excited to be in Reno. First things first, we need to get some breakfast. Probably head over to the university. Normally, they feature a ton of cars at GSR. However, GSR is under some construction. They're building a huge stadium in the parking lot. So that's our plan today. Let's go ahead and get started. Here's our view. Just a short walk along the Truckee River from our hotel is a breakfast spot called The Shore. One of our favorite spots to eat for breakfast in Reno, and it's tucked away in the Renaissance Hotel. We enjoy eating here because you have a view of the Truckee River, there's great service and food for a fair price. The other perk is that it is right downtown, so once you're finished eating, you can go check out the cars. One cool thing I got to do this year was partner with Hot August Nights to get a media credential, which allowed me to get a little bit closer to the cars. Our second stop of the day is at Atlantis. There are a ton of cars and a lot of things I haven't seen before. After this, we're probably going to get some lunch. After checking out the Atlantis lot, we were pretty hungry, so we grabbed a bite to eat at a German restaurant called Von Bismarck. We went here last year and it was absolutely delicious. That's a wrap for day 1. Tomorrow we will be checking out all the cars downtown. All right, it's Saturday, day 2 in Hot August Nights. We're going to go get some breakfast and then go check out the cars downtown. So let's go ahead and get started. that's a wrap, guys, for Hot August Nights 2025. I hope you guys like checking out these cool cars. If you're ever in the area, highly recommend. This is definitely one of my favorite car shows of the entire year. Thanks, guys. See you next week.